Good afternoon, students. Students, genetic is the branch of science which deals with the study of transfer of characteristics from parents to offspring. In human beings, how many chromosomes are there? 46 chromosomes are present in human beings and 23 pairs. And these 23 pairs are numbered, and out of these 22 pairs are called as allosomes and one pair is called as sex chromosomes. The 22 pairs are represented as a somatic characters. They show the somatic characters, and the one pair is XX denoted for woman and XY chromosome is denoted for male. Students, whenever there is a mutation in genes, you know gene is the hereditary unit of genetics. Whenever there is a mutation in genes or there is a depletion or increase or decrease of chromosomal part, at that time the chromosomal disorders occurs. Whenever there is a translocation of any part of a chromosome is cut or increase or decrease, or in mutations there are some changes takes place. Do you know in unicellular organisms the variations are very minor, but in multicellular organisms the variations are very major, and in that genes whenever there is a change in the genetic sequence or mutation in genes, at that time genetic disorders occurs. Which are the genetic disorders? Genetic disorders are Down syndrome, Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. In Down syndrome, 46 plus 1 trisomy of 21st chromosome occurs. Here in normal human beings 46 pairs of chromosomes are present, but in case of Down syndrome, at the site of 21st chromosome, one chromosome is again attached, and that condition is called as trisomy of 21st chromosome. In this, the patients are mentally retarded and the lifespan of that patients are not more than 20 years, and the mouth is always open and the neck is very short of that person's. You may look the diagram or picture in your textbook. Then Turner syndrome is called as the monosomy of X chromosome, because this syndrome occurs only in case of women, and that women are sterile. Sterile means their genetic parts are not developed, and then Klinefelter syndrome. In Klinefelter syndrome, 44 plus XXY chromosomes are present. This Klinefelter syndrome occurs only in males, and that males are also sterile. They cannot give the birth to a child after the marriage, and these are the genetic disorders because of the chromosomal abnormalities. Students, understand that chromosomal abnormalities are whether the chromosomal part is decreased or increased or translocated. At that time we can see the abnormalities in chromosomes, and genetic disorders occurs due to the abnormalities in chromosomes or mutation in genes. Thank you.